kids? So do you remember what we did last time? Yes, we did the standing line. So this time we are going to do sleeping line. So do you know what is sleeping line? No. Firstly, let me tell you, standing line, sleeping line, slant line and the curve. These all are the patterns. So today we will learn about the sleeping line pattern. Okay? So just look at here. When you write from left to right like this is your sleeping line. Okay? How we wrote this? In the direction from left to right. And same way you can write it from right to left. Opposite direction. Okay? So this is also sleeping line. So both are the most used ones. So we have to practice both sleeping lines. Okay? So now, can you see again we have a boxes here. So now we are going to write down in the box. So I will give you few dots here. Now you have to join it. Just like this. If I give you 2 dots, how will you do it, everybody? You can write it from left to right, or you can write it right to left, right? And freehand, we will be writing it like this. And yes, also you can write it from the right to left direction. Quite easy for you, right, everyone? So now, everybody, let's do in the English pattern. Here I will give you few dots first. Okay, so look at here. You can practice in any of the line here. Doesn't matter actually. See, I have given you in first one few tracing dots. In second one only 2 dots. So now let's trace it. You can trace it from left to right just like this. It's not visible for you, so I'll be writing it with the black pen only. Right? And from right to left also, in any of the direction you like. So here is one interesting activity for you. What is this, everybody? This is rocket. And can you see we have few dots at the back side. In the first row we have the complete dot. So how are we gonna do it? We're gonna do it like this till the end. Now in the second row, we have sections because there is some partitions over here, empty spaces. So we have to write it like this only. You can take any of the pattern from Mama, okay? Mama and Papa can draw any pattern for you. Okay, so you can write right to left also. Doesn't matter. All we have to practice the both directions. Okay, everybody? Very nice. So now I will show you few worksheet ideas with you. Now this is your second worksheet idea where we have some flowers on the tree and some butterflies. All we have to trace them from, firstly I'll do it from the left to right direction. Just like this. And now right to left. Sometimes you might like आपका हाथ ऐसे से जाएगा because starting में we are not used to write in straight line, right? But later on we will be able to do it. And yes, parents, it is very convenient to use these reusable worksheet idea, so you can ask them to practice it more and more. Now this is your third worksheet. Can you see what we have? We have a yacht and one aeroplane. So yacht is in the water. So we have to draw the waves here. So let's start from the top wave. Left to right, right to left, left to right, left to right, right to left, right to left. आप बच्चों को बोल सकते हो कि आप दोनों डायरेक्शन में मल्टीपल टाइम्स लिखते जाओ. एंड यस पेरेंट्स समटाइम लेफ्ट टू राइट, राइट टू लेफ्ट, राइट टू लेफ्ट. ओ इधर से. सो इट गिव देम अ गुड प्रैक्टिस. सो जस्ट ड्रॉ इट. Yay! So these are the ways which are in a slipping line. Now let's complete this also. So I'll change my color. Let me use this one. And let's start from here. Again, it is completely optional in which direction you want to practice. So this is it, everybody. I hope you like my worksheet ideas. If you need more ideas for the same concept, you can just comment me down so that I can publish more worksheet like this. Also, I will see you next time with more worksheet ideas, more fun game and activity game. Till then, bye bye. Yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on that bell icon. Smash the like button and share my videos more and more. Thank you for supporting me and please keep supporting. Thank you. Bye bye everybody.